Stop blaming your salary. The reason you are broke is your mindset. Let me show you 5 rules rich people use to think differently about money. Watch this video until the end if you want to understand. Number 1, respect every dollar, respect every shilling. If you can't handle 10,000 Ugandan shillings, you are going to waste 1 million Ugandan shillings. You understand? The same way you handle 10,000 is the same way you handle 1 million. Therefore, respect every shilling. If you waste 10,000, you're going to waste 1 million. Respect every shilling that comes into your account. Number 2, learn the language of wealth. If you can't read about money, you are going to continue to work for someone who reads about money. Understand assets, understand liabilities, understand cash flow. That is the alphabet of freedom. You understand all this? Number 3, pay yourself first. When we say pay yourself first, it means that pick a particular percentage. Pick a particular percentage of your money and put it aside. You understand? Broke people spend money to survive. Rich people save and invest their money so that they can escape the rat race, so that they can have freedom. You understand all this? Pay yourself first. Number 4, think long term. Wealth is not built overnight. Wealth is built in decades. Rich people don't think in days. Rich people don't think in weeks. Rich people don't think in months. They think in decades. They build systems that print for them money. Even after 10 years, their children can still benefit from that system. What am I trying to tell you here? Stop chasing after quick gains, betting, gambling. Build a system that makes for you money, that print for you money. Build a system. Poor people, broke people chase after quick gains, immediate pleasure, quick money. Build a system that can make for you money, that can print you money each and every day. Even after 10 years, it can still print for you money. That is what makes you different from the rest of poor people. So think in decades, not in weeks, not in weekends, not in months. You understand? Rich people think in decades. They build systems, they build businesses that makes for them money, that print for them money. You understand all this? Bro, sister, we need to be sharp. Stop chasing immediate pleasure. Stop chasing quick gains. Betting, gambling, stop it. And start building real systems that will print for you money even after 10 years. You understand all this? Build real systems, businesses that print you money. Number 5, turn problems into opportunity. A poor person, when they have problems, they keep asking themselves, why is this happening to me? Oh my God, why is this happening to me? While a rich person asks himself, asks herself, how can I solve this problem? How can I solve this problem? And once they get the solution, they will solve the problem and then they will get paid. They will get paid. You understand? They will get paid. That is how a rich person think differently about money. Now you understand. Now you understand. If you want to change your life, start by changing your mindset. Comment mindset if you are tired of complaining about your salary. And then follow Obin Finance University, a place where we train future millionaires. You understand? You understand? One love.